How to add back button in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a back to top button or back to another page button into your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then as you can see we are going to be selecting a website and heading over the dashboard of that website like I am in right now. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the setup or the home page, click on design site. After that, we're going to basically uh, uh, wait for the website to load up, just like that. As you can see, it is fully loaded. Now what we're going to do is going to be selecting maybe a section or a specific section. So we are going to add the back button. So we can go ahead and add from the elements here. Maybe I'm going to be on this page like this. I think this one. And we are going to head over the buttons. We're going to have a lot of buttons. So we are going to have text and icons buttons. We can choose, for example, the home button or this button like that. So it is going to be taking us back to the top. What we're going to do from this button, we're going to click on setting. And this button is going to be heading over a place. We're going to link it. Basically, I'm going to have it as not none, but basically page. So we can go ahead and have it to the home, click on done, and boom. So this button is going to be the home button. So it is going to take you back to the home page. So as you can see, you can go ahead and place it here, or you can add the button to the specific place so it is going to be floating. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.